Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet with you again, Mahathir from Studio. In 3D Studio okay, today we're gonna learn how to make a label design, especially for food label design. Okay, I use Inkscape, but actually you can use CorelDraw or Adobe Illustrator too, because the tools is similar. Okay, first I'm gonna create a star. Okay, start with a 30 corner, and after that I wanna make good line over here. Sorry, I'm gonna put it into the center. Okay, like this. You may activate the snap over here and click activate this all tools. I'm gonna put this too, and after that I want to create a cycle, and we have to press Ctrl Shift in our keyboard. In order we can make a perfect circular or perfect cycle. Okay, over here, and I'm gonna duplicate it. You may press Ctrl D, and after that I'm gonna press select tool. I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift and move it like this. Okay, and next I wanna select this inside cycle and the outside star object like this. Only two objects that we select, and after that choose path, click difference. Okay, and this one I want to change the size like this. Okay, maybe like this. I want to give the color before. Give the color. Maybe we can give orange like this maybe. Okay, stroke, we can move it, stroke, and I'm gonna select this cycle, and I'm gonna change to the 10. Okay, move it like this, change the this, okay, like this. And after that we're gonna block all the object and make it as a group. Okay, and now I'm gonna create a ribbon over here. Gonna click rectangle like this. Okay, gonna move it. Okay, and now I wanna move here. We can use object, and I'm sorry, path, object to path. In order we can move like here. Okay, again do the same thing for the bottom side. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna change the color before, like this maybe. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, move it into this. I'm sorry, but before that I want to move into the black of the layer. Step one step now, and then change the color in order you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna move it like this. Okay, now use bezier tool to cut this like this over here. Okay, sorry, gonna move. Okay, select the bottom ribbon, path and difference. Okay, and now you can duplicate it. Okay, and move while press Shift on your keyboard. Okay, like this. Okay, we're gonna move it to the other side and select the third object, 3D object, path and union. Okay, change the color into the more black, maybe like this. Okay, resize it. I'm gonna put it into the bottom. Sorry, I deactivate the snap. Okay, in order we can move it as easily. We want to make a chocolate, for example, a chocolate label. So I'm gonna put our type choco. Okay, and after that I'm gonna choose the type of the font. Maybe I choose like this, Casablanca, no personal use. You can find it into the Windows font. Okay, choco. The sorry, not this. Okay, fill and stroke. I wanna the outline. I wanna make it more bold, bold like this, in order you can read it clearer. Okay, again. Okay, I'm gonna change the color into the white. The stroke paint. The color white, and after that duplicate it, and the duplicate no pen, click no pen. Okay, you can see over here or the outside like this. You may add the stroke style, the width of the stroke. Okay, I'm gonna move it into the top like this. Okay, Choco Sense. It is a only example. You may put your own product over here, and once again you may use Adobe Illustrator, CorelDraw 2 in this for this tutorial, because it is almost similar actually for the tool. I'm gonna make it more bold. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate it again, and the duplicate one I'm gonna move the outline. Okay, and then I wanna group it. I wanna make it in one group. Okay, I'm gonna move into the font like this. Next thing I want to have to do is make the model over here. I'm gonna type sense of sense. Okay, I'm gonna change the font. Maybe this or this. Apply, put it over here. I'm gonna change the color into the white. Okay, now I'm gonna make this font into the curve. So I have to make a cycle with oval cycle. Okay, almost like this. I'm gonna select the cycle and the text, put on path like this. Okay, now I'm gonna rotate the cycle like this. Okay, and I'm gonna type space on your keyboard. Click the cycle and move it to the top. Okay, and I'm gonna click the sense of the sense and the cycle. After that, path object to path, and now you may delete the cycle like this. Okay. Okay, here you go. Our simple logo or label logo design for chocolate product. Okay, don't forget to subscribe our channel, share it to your friend, and you may practice it for your own product. Okay, I'm Mahathir. See you in the next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.